Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Webmaster Tools, which is now called Google Search. The principle of this system is to allow Google to feedback to you when it's having a problem indexing your website. So if you want to be seen well on Google Search, it's good to know when Google is having issues and fix them quickly. So because I'm still old school, I'm going to look for Google Webmaster Tools in Google Search, and immediately you get this Google Search console, which you need to connect to, and it will show any websites that you have already connected to. And if you need to connect to a new one, you click on Add a Property, and then put the name of the website you want, which in my case is, and I'm too lazy to type it, so I'll click Add. Now you have a number of ways to verify who you are. You can download the verification file and then upload it to your website, and that will then allow you to successfully show Google that you have control over the website because you just downloaded a file. Otherwise, there are some alternate methods which are not so good. One is to use your Google Analytics link up, which we could do. Another is to change the domain name tags, so you go into your DNS settings and change domain name settings. And the third way, which I use, I wouldn't use Big Tag Manager. Third way is you can add a meta tag into the home page of the site, and that can then be seen by Google as well. But the best method is the verification file. The reason for that is it will stay on the site, and therefore if you change other code, the verification file is going to stay there to prove that you still have control over the site. If it disappears, the Google bots will recognize it at some time, and you will then lose verification, which will lose you access to some of the information. So we need to download the verification file, and that will save in my downloads directory. And then I need to fire up my FTP program. That's the quickest way of getting a file up, so let me do that. And there we are, logged into the site. The site's on the right hand side, left hand side is my user drive. So if I go to the downloads directory, I should have a sort by modified last. There's the Google file. So if I upload that, there it is. You can see I've done this before. There's another file there. And now we go back to Google. You can see the verifications appeared. So it knows that's there. Prove I'm not a robot. And hit verify. And there we are. I'm now verified as the owner. Okay, and there's no error messages because obviously it's only just seen us 2 seconds ago, so I wouldn't expect any issues. However, we will connect that up to Yoast SEO, so Yoast can pull the information through as well on a WordPress site. So that's how you connect your Google Search Console link up to get your error messages. I'd like to give you some examples of them, but my site's all working fine and none of them have any issues at the moment, so I've got nothing to show you. Never mind, I'm sure we'll have some issues and we'll put that in another video later. Thank you very much.
For more info, visit wpbusinessclub.com.